Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of installation. The act of installing something, as equipment. The telephone installation took only a few minutes. Installing, installment, installment. A building or place that provides a particular service or is used for a particular industry. Facility. A formal entry into an organization or position or office. He gave a speech as part of his installation into the Hall of Fame. Induction, initiation.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.